stars while I'm standing on the pavement, spinning around, lost and found, just trying to make a statement.
Okay, yeah, first day is down. Actually, this is the next morning because I was so tired that I just went straight to bed. I went to bed at like 7. I didn't get a lot of sleep, as I mentioned, and yeah, I was just so tired, and like I didn't get out of work until 6:30 because like the other guys are just sort of wasting time, pissing about, doing their things. Like the slowest like I've ever seen somebody leave for a job, like from the work, because it was sort of like, okay, yeah, like I think it was about like 5:45. He was sort of like going, okay, we'll go, like we'll go soon, we'll go now. I just got to type this in. Okay, I just got me this phone call. Oh, okay, I'm gonna say goodbye to him. Oh, okay, I'll say goodbye. And then he had like a 10-minute conversation with him, and then he just had to quickly type something up, and then it's like, oh my god, I was just sat there like, I'm not happy about this. I'm not happy. Like, yeah, and I thought I was gonna get back Wednesday. I'm not getting back Wednesday. It might be Friday now. I've already packed stuff for Wednesday. Like, oh man, this company's not great at like telling you what's gonna happen. Also, I've eaten an Easter egg already because they're on sale now, and it's £1.50. Like, my first day was basically just sat looking at drawings and reading manuals, and it was really boring. Like, I read it, I went, okay, I get this. It's like, okay, here's the drawing. Okay, I see this. Okay, I get this. And then it's like, okay, here's another drawing. And then it just seems like they're just... And then today, Tuesday, is going to be pretty much the same as well. So it's going to be a long one. I'm going to be really bored. I just know I am. It's like being back at school. But like, at least at school, when you finish the work, you're like, I've done the work. I've, like, all the answers, questions are answered. Here it's like, you want to just keep plugging at it? It's like, no. No, I don't. I get this now. Just send me out. Just send me out and I can fix everything. Don't worry about it. What's going on, guys? And don't I look so much more different today? This is what I've been wearing to work, because basically everybody was wearing this and I was the only one in a shirt and tie. So yeah, I mean, if anything, guys, raise your game. I'm up here. Come join me. Come join me. But no, I figured I'd like dress down. I'm all rough and ready, so like I can get jumped straight into work, basically. That's the plan. That's the great white hope. That is what I'm hoping. That is it. Second day was pretty much the same as the first day. Lots of reading and stuff like that. But the big boss wasn't there, so I did like a lot of playing on my phone, which I'm good of. I'm glad with. Good of, glad with. I'm good with. I'm glad of. There you go. It's been a long day. I had some food. Like yesterday, I was so tired. I went to bed at like 7:30 in the afternoon. So I was done. Whereas like today, I'm a bit more chill. But like, there's another guy that works in the office that's worked there for a while who lives in the hotel. Like, he's French, so he doesn't actually live in England. But he's like been driving me to work and back. And like on the way back, like last night, he was like, "Oh, there's a lot of like nice restaurants here." And I'll do the accent. There's a lot of nice accents here, and restaurants. And the restaurants. You see, there's the old town, or the down across the road, or maybe even in the hotel itself. The restaurant, top notch, very good. Went Indian slightly there at the end, but yeah, he said that, and then I was like, nah, I'm going to bed. Like, just a little too blunt, I think, a little too blunt. Third day, I will be driving around. I have to get to touch a cremator. I've only read about them. I haven't seen them yet, so we get to see cremators now. What is going on, guys? Day 3 is down. Wednesday is done. Good news. It was a better day than like the other 2 days because I got to get out and do stuff. Like, it was mostly driving. Actually, we drove for like 3 hours there. Worked for about an hour and a half. 3 hours back. That was it. But it was quite nice. Like, I got to like be at the office and just sort of like get a feel of like what the job's actually gonna be. So that was good. Bad news is, I only packed for Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. I have another 2 days. I don't have underpants for extra days. I'm gonna have to turn my underpants inside out.
spinning around, lost and found, just trying to make a statement. Lift the weight off my shoulders, with the birds in the sky is